Y'all, there's finally a little bit of water back in the creek after so long, and it's supposed to rain more this week. Let's go. I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. I might get more. Y'all, we done found a little bit deeper. It was deeper back there, but we kind of have a problem. It's a drop-off right there, and we can't get out. So we kind of stuck right now. Me and Case done got this joker out in the mud, boy. Yeah. Out in the mud. We found a little bit more deep water, y'all. Over here in the creek. Alright, I'll see y'all. I gotta figure out how to get out this joint real quick. It's kind of brooded out over here, so you gotta be careful. Lizzie done found more water in the duck hole, y'all. Look at her. It's still really dry though. Ain't no ducks in here.